Hey there, fellow learners. English tenses can be quite puzzling, with all their different forms: past, present, future, and even past future. I mean, seriously, what's up with that? Are we supposed to talk about our past in the future or discuss our future while we were in the past? It's a bit confusing, don't you think? But guess what? Let me simplify things for you. As English learners, there are actually only two types of tenses you need to focus on if you want to master them like a pro. It all comes down to what happens to the verbs. So here they are. First, we have the past tense. In this tense, you simply add ed to the verb, unless it's one of those tricky irregulars like go, which becomes went. Next up is the present tense. For this one, you just add s to the verb, but only when the subject is in the third person singular. For example, Sarah goes to school by bike. Now, what about the future tense? Well, if you want to express something happening in the future, it's as easy as pie. Just throw in modal verbs like will and can before the base verb, and voila. See, it's not so complicated after all, right? But hold on a second. We're not done yet. There are other forms like simple, continuous, and perfect, but they're not actually tenses. Don't worry, though. We'll tackle those in a future video. Stay tuned.